decides to take off with an obviously blown engine. Look at this. What an idiot. Oh! This is the coaster captain decides to leave the station with a blown engine in the train. That guy's an idiot. Oh yeah, that's going on. Oh my God, dude. Oh, dude. That's bad.
It's not really a good noise. I'm gonna keep Oh, you gotta send me that video.
Oh, yeah, that isn't right.
Oh, now you can smell it.
Yeah, I know.
Wow, look, it's still. I mean. Oh, I wish we were in a car.
Follow him along.
I'd love to follow him, yeah.
That is, what an idiot.
When I went on the Disney cruise, that's what it just smells.
Mm-hmm. Still, it smells like a cruise ship.
Well, you know what? You say he's an idiot, but there's a very good chance he's